Brace yourself to meet them, the most human-like robots ever built. Advanced AI has enabled the creation of remarkably lifelike androids that can move, converse, emote, and even crack jokes like humans. Let's explore 7 of these technological marvels that are pushing the boundaries of futuristic robots. First up is Atlas, a humanoid robot created by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is renowned for its incredibly dynamic movements and agility. This advanced robot can walk smoothly over uneven terrains, lift heavy objects, and even get back up on its feet after falling. Capabilities that are critical for emergency response and disaster relief situations. But what makes this level of agility possible in Atlas? Well, Atlas is equipped with LiDAR and stereo sensors that allow real-time visual and spatial perception of its surroundings. In simple terms, Atlas can continuously map out and understand the 3D environment around itself. It sees its surroundings using a depth sensor camera mounted on its head. This camera generates detailed 3D point cloud images of the environment around Atlas in real time. Point clouds are like a collection of dots in space that create a map of the world around the robot. This gives Atlas a rich stream of spatial data on objects, terrain, obstacles, and more. Atlas then takes these real-time point cloud inputs and runs them through complex algorithms to dynamically plan its motions and balance. The algorithms help Atlas understand how to move its legs, arms, and body joints to walk, pick up objects, and adjust poses. If Atlas starts falling over uneven terrain, the algorithms using point cloud data help it react quickly and regain balance. This advanced software gives Atlas great agility to take on challenges like stepping over blocks, jumping gaps, and even performing backflips. Next up is Digit, a humanoid robot developed by Agility Robotics. Digit has a unique way of moving compared to other humanoid robots. It's designed to carry out complex tasks and move through environments that normal robots cannot access. Companies believe Digit can be used in the future for assisting and taking care of people in their homes. For example, Digit could fetch medicines for an elderly person or help someone confined to a wheelchair. What makes Digit special is its ability to lift up to 18 kilograms, much more than other humanoid robots. The Digit represents major progress in robotics technology to create human-like robots that can gracefully walk as well as lift and manipulate objects. Moving on, we have none other than Sophia, a humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics, based in Hong Kong. Sophia is renowned for being the first robot in the world to be granted citizenship by a country. She was granted Saudi Arabian citizenship in 2017, a historic milestone highlighting her advancement. Sophia has a remarkably human-like appearance and impressive expression capabilities. Her creators designed her to look like the famous Hollywood actress Audrey Hepburn. She has silicone skin that moves realistically to display over 60 different facial expressions. Behind the expressive face, Sophia has cameras in her eyes along with motion and visual sensors to perceive people around her. Powered by state-of-the-art AI, Sophia can process visual and speech inputs to recognize faces, understand languages, and respond appropriately in conversations. Her AI continuously learns using data from interactions. While not perfect yet, Sophia can chat, answer questions, and even crack jokes in a natural manner. She has been interviewed by top media outlets, addressed the United Nations, and given speeches around the world to highlight robotics advancements. Moving on to number 4, we have Erica, a humanoid robot developed in Japan by Hiroshi Ishiguro Laboratories. Erica is renowned for her ability to have natural human-like conversations using advanced speech algorithms and facial recognition capabilities. With 15 infrared sensors in her eyes, Erica can precisely track faces and understand subtle human gestures. She also has 44 degrees of freedom, allowing intricate movements in her face, neck, and waist to exhibit human-like expressions. Erica's conversational skills are so advanced that she actually works as a news anchor on TV in Japan. Her creator believes she has a soul, which creates fascinating debates on the metaphysics and philosophy behind robotics. While Erica's arms cannot move yet, Interacting with her can feel like talking to a real person rather than just a machine. As we've seen, the advancement in humanoid robots like Atlas, Digit, Sophia and Erica is truly remarkable. In the coming years, we may see them take on real-world roles in healthcare, customer service, disaster relief and more. At the same time, ethical questions remain on how to ensure these AI robots align with human values as they become more lifelike and integrated into society. Now, coming back to the topic, we have Peppa, a robot designed by SoftBank Robotics to interact with and assist people in environments like retail stores or banks. Peppa is around 4 feet tall and has a tablet in its chest that displays information. What makes Peppa special is the AI that allows it to interpret and respond to human emotions. It uses emotion recognition capabilities to analyze facial expressions, voice tones and gestures. Based on this, Peppa can respond appropriately with its own expressions and movements. For example, if someone is happy, Peppa can sense this emotion and react with a smile. In a retail store, Peppa can make personalized recommendations to shoppers and help them find products. Its advanced chatbots allow Peppa to handle customer queries. Peppa can even remember different users it's met previously. With abilities to converse in multiple languages, provide information and accept payments, Peppa can be a helpful retail assistant. Next is none other than the very popular Amica, developed by Engineered Arts based in the UK. Amica is renowned for having one of the most advanced and realistic human-like faces of any robot. The face consists of articulated mechanisms that allow incredibly natural facial movements. The face can display human-like emotions, lip sync with speech, laugh, wake up, frown and more. Behind the hyper-realistic face, Amica has cameras in the eyes to perceive people and environments. Microphones and depth sensors also pick up audio and visual data. AI software then analyzes these inputs to detect faces and speech and respond appropriately. While Amica's body is minimalistic, the facial mechanics in AI allow remarkably natural conversations and reactions. In testing, Amica also chats casually, tells jokes, and answers questions on different topics while maintaining eye contact, overall behaving more like a human than just a machine. Interacting with Amica leaves many people astonished at how far robotics has advanced. Moving on to our final humanoid robot, which is Nadine, a social robot developed by researchers in Singapore. Nadine is powered by innovative software that allows it to recognize people it has met previously and remember prior conversations. This exceptional memory capability is enabled by advanced face recognition and perception algorithms running on Nadine's AI platform. Specifically, Nadine utilizes powerful 3D depth cameras and high-fidelity microphones strategically placed around its head and body to gather rich streams of visual and audio data. The positioning allows Nadine to capture facial cues, voice tones, gestures, and other environmental inputs in great detail. The artificial intelligence software carefully analyzes this high-dimensional data in real time to accurately interpret extremely subtle facial expressions, lip movements, body motions, and speech. It runs advanced machine learning algorithms to find patterns and make sense of all the visual, verbal, and gestural signals coming from the people interacting with Nadine. By combining the learnings across modalities, Nadine is able to comprehend not just the literal meanings of the words being spoken, but also the more nuanced context and emotional undertones behind them. This allows Nadine to have far more natural, human-like conversations compared to most robots. Remarkably, Nadine can converse fluently in not just one but 6 different languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, and French. Nadine currently works as a receptionist at the university, where she warmly greets people, politely answers complex questions, and chats conversationally with visitors. Seeing Nadine seamlessly interact, recognize familiar people, and make small talk showcases how far AI-enabled humanoid robotics has advanced. It provides a glimpse into how such technologies could transform a wide range of jobs and services that involve high-touch human interaction and communication. And that covers 7 of the most advanced AI-powered humanoid robots that exist today. There are some truly remarkable innovations that can converse intelligently, recognize emotions, remember people, make jokes, and exhibit human-like behaviors.